Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Bunn coffee mill grinder, commercial grinder that we have right here. And for this grinder, we just had to disassemble the entire thing. This one that you see here, take a whole thing, complete it out, we clean everything inside the burr system, clean the burrs as well, polish them, make sure that they were without any kind of coffee buildup or anything like that. And then we put it back together and calibrate it according to the Bunn instructions in order to calibrate this grinder. You're supposed to loosen up the screw, and then slowly move this one until you kind of hear the metal grinder, and then just slowly turn it out down so it will not grind, the burrs will not grind together, and then that's how you calibrate it. So that's what we did, and we deep clean everything and make sure the burrs were in good shape, still sharp, and they still are sharp because look at all this coffee that it did, plus the previous coffee that we were grinding on this grinder. This grinder really eats through coffee super instantly, as you're gonna see right here. So let me see if I can try to get this thing. Okay, I'll be using part of my leg. Eats through the coffee, and as you see, nicely grind. There you go. Excellent grind, super fast, extremely fine, working excellent, working great. So there you have it, one coffee mill adjusted and cleaned up. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.